So I'm explaining how we can convert the sample file, a simple XML file into Excel version. So copy any of the random file from the web and download it, or copy the whole code into the notepad and save that as XML file. When you come to Excel, you got a data option there. Select from file from XML. And once you select that, you have an option to choose a file from the desktop. So click on desktop or wherever the location you have saved the file and just click on import again. Now, once you click on import, it gives you a prompt to load or transform data. So preview the data and click on transform data for any data manipulation activity. Basically here, I'm trying to split the author by its first name and last name and then rearranging back into a full name. So to split that, I select those and click on split column and select comma. And I'm renaming the column that is last name and then the first name. Now I want to merge those. So there are many options you can do it here. You can either do it by selecting both of them and then right clicking and doing merge. But if you see there are many options at the top, you can even merge different queries. You can use different options to delete columns or remove columns. So there are multiple things you can manipulate here. And for now, I just want to merge those column and convert that to be a full name column. So while merging, I want the delimiter or the separator to be a space so that it will give you a good visual and just rename the column as a full name. Now, once you do that and click on OK, a new column is created that is the full name and the first two columns got disappeared. And this is how it's already done. Now you can upload or you can say like load and close a file and export the data onto the Excel UI. So just click on load and close. Here you got all the data. Now to quickly analyze, do not waste your time to create charts on all those. Just click on home and click on analyze data at the right. You see, you have already few visuals ready for you to just bring on the Excel. Just click on import pivot tables, creating depending on what you have, what you need. There is also a conditional way where we can use our own customization, but these are all predefined. I can show you if you scroll all here and bring all the views on the table. At the top, you got a search option. You can ask any questions related to data, and that gives you answer with respect to pivot, or it might be with respect to how you want to bring the data onto the view. There are something that is like top price or top different genre as per the count, and there are like top price as per the location, top to full name authors. What is the top? See, this one is top price and rated by 40, more than 40 by title, depending on title. So depending on what parameter you want to bring on the table, you can just type in there in the search box. So that will give you a visual and that create a good visual and give you an intense analysis so that you need not to understand or worried about what I need to prepare in the chat. This gives you a very good insights. And depending on that, you can customize it later or you got an idea to kickstart, right? That's more important. So while doing this, you got a lot many options available here on the Excel file, on the queries and connections, on the analyzed data. Use all of them and to present data, use the pivot conditioning auto analysis method, and that would help you a lot. Thanks.